Okay, welcome out to Untitled Trading's market recap here on December 23rd, 2015. Let's jump right into it. Let's start with the heat map. You know, one reminder, if you're out there and you're watching this recap, all of the tools that you need on a daily basis are right in the Trade Center at Untitled Trading. Heat map, markets were up. Santa Claus rally, basic materials led the way. It was the most green. ExxonMobil up 3%. Huge rally in the energy space. We'll talk more about that when we get to crude oil. Mixed in some technology areas. Facebook was down a little bit. One of the lone disappointments. Disney was also down just a little bit. Let's take a look at the futures market. And 5 products we look at each and every day. Click on the daily chart. The S&P is approaching some resistance in here, kind of stuck in the middle of the range. Support at 2,000, resistance at 2,100. Neutral as we move into the holiday season. You're going to get light volume over the next, several trading sessions because of the holidays. That's to be expected. When the markets are up, the VIX is down. VIX is now down about 1785. I still think you're in credit spread territory here. Good calendar spread, covered call type conditions and whatnot. As we fade back into the low numbers, then you would trigger potentially into some, insurance buying positions, things like that. Let's go into the energy sector. Crude oil, big green candlestick. Yeah, definitely. Still bearish. It's still bearish. It was up 4% today. You're getting wild volatility. The reaction actually came, if you look at the 5-minute chart, same as every Wednesday, you get big moves on the EIA numbers, and we saw that again. And it jumped from 37, added another 80, 90 cents. That was 3-4% right there. Had a good rally going overnight even before that, but then it took off from there. Bump up, retracement, trend through the day, ended near the highs. Interesting chart here on the daily chart, though. Old support at 40 could play in as new resistance. Going to be an interesting bear retracement potentially over the next several candlesticks. Let's take a look at gold, stocks, volatility, oil, gold, and the dollar. Those are my daily 5. Gold sitting down here in a range, bouncing between support and resistance, down just a little bit here today. And not much to see here, kind of flat. And currency market, the dollar also flat. Those were probably the 2 instruments that didn't make much of a move. Stocks were up over 1%. Crude was up over 3%. Volatility was fading, but gold and the dollar kind of flattened out, and we're in the middle of a range here. Okay, that has been Untitled Trading's daily market recap. As always,
Get off the sidelines and take control of your financial future at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.